Tired of lag ruining your RAN online experience? Let's fix that with Exitlag. First, download and install Exitlag from their official website. The link is in the description below. Once installed, create an account and log in. In the Exitlag interface, use the search bar to find RAN online. Type RAN and select your specific RAN online server or client. Now choose your preferred servers. Experiment with different server combinations for the best results. A good starting point is to select servers located geographically close to you. Fine-tune your connection by adjusting the optimizer slider. Start with the recommended setting, but feel free to increase or decrease it until you find the sweet spot for your connection. Once you've selected your servers and optimized your connection, click the Apply Routes button. Exitlag will now optimize your network for RAN online. Launch RAN online and enjoy a smoother, lag-free gaming experience. Experiment with different Exitlag settings to find what works best for your connection. Good luck and happy gaming.